My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make microwave nachos. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take some tortilla chips and lay them in a single layer on a plate. Next up, we're going to take some cheese. I've got a mix of yellow cheddar, white cheddar. I also have a little mozzarella cheese, but whatever you have in the fridge works for me. So put some of that cheese on there, just a nice little layer. Next up, we've got some black beans. And I like black beans for protein, but you can add whatever you like, chicken, beef, vegetables, people like mushrooms. Whatever you dig, you can throw on there. And then just a little more cheese right on the top. Now we're gonna throw this in a microwave for 1 minute and check it every 20 seconds. Now these are bubbling and they look really, really nice. The thing with cooking this in the microwave, if you overcook it, the cheese gets really kind of hard and stale. So just watch and make sure that it's evenly melted all the way around. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is take some ranch dressing, because this is what I like, and we're just gonna dot it all the way around. You could do a little ranch, you could do a little hot sauce if you like, but I just like that all the way around the chips. It looks really, really nice and tastes really, really good. After that, I like to take some tomato and garnish around a little bit of fresh cilantro. And finally, some green onion. There you go. And this looks awesome. This is my recipe for microwave nachos. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.